Google Books. It's the world's most comprehensive digital index of full-text books. And Google has spent years digitizing books, and they've also partnered with public libraries. So if books are in the public domain, you can often find the full text for free. You can also find books to buy and see previews of books. In order to get to Google Books, simply open a new tab and type in books.google.com. You'll notice that something will come up. It looks a lot like your regular search, only it says Google Books. I'm going to search War and Peace. And notice this looks a lot like a regular Google search. Clicking on Tools brings up extra ways to sort and to narrow down my search. So if I'm looking for, let's say, free Google eBooks in this situation, I can narrow my search down to that. If I find one I like, then I click on it. It's going to bring up the details for that and probably give me a preview. I can also send this link that appears here at the top. It's waiting right now for the front cover to come up. But if I wanted to share this with someone, I could simply copy this address, go to my email, and write someone an email and paste this into the body of the email, and they'd be able to go directly to that particular book. Also, when I'm just going to go back right now to my results, just like with other Google searches, you can go into settings and then go into advanced search. So it's really intuitive and easy to figure out, and much like other Google searches, but you should check out Google Books when you have time. It's pretty awesome.